This is how much food we ended up with. I got another box from Home Chef. I had canceled it for a few months, but now I have another box. I don't know what's in it because I forgot that I had only canceled that to a certain date. So I'm going to open the box and see what's in it. They have sent me 2 recipes. Mediterranean turkey skillet with zucchini and feta, and chicken with mushroom gravy. Is that mushroom gravy gluten-free though? Contains milk. It doesn't say contains wheat, so it must be gluten-free. Look at this. The blood from one of the meats busted open inside the package, and there's like blood all over the inside of the bag. Isn't that gross? It's not supposed to be like that. It's supposed to be 2 individually vacuum sealed packages of meat. But I've had a few of them come like this where they have blood inside the bag. It's gonna be really, really nasty to get the blood out of there. And as you see, this is how zipped the bag was. It was opened about 1 inch. So there possibly could be blood inside of this package, although I think it didn't leak out. Yeah, luckily it didn't leak out. Yuck. I was going to put the ingredients for 1 meal inside my house and cook the other meal outside since it's so nice out today. But now I'm going to have to bring that inside and deal with it while wearing gloves. This box also comes with a lot of trash. There's a few ice packs. Some of this stuff, which is like foam inside plastic. And this little piece of cardboard that says quality ingredients below. Here's my outdoor cooking setup. I've got a cast iron pan and some vegetable oil instead of olive oil because I'm going to be cooking on high heat. Here's my recipe. That little flower pot is going to be a table for me to cut up the vegetables on this cutting board. So instead of olive oil, I'm using vegetable oil because this is actually a turkey fryer. It has a very large flame. It cooks on very high heat. They show you cooking it in some kind of pan that looks like an aluminum pan or a stainless steel pan and finishing it in a cast iron pan, which is ridiculous. This meal will cook much better in a cast iron pan. And you have a pan that looks just like that, but my boyfriend brought out this deep dish cast iron pan. It's a cast iron Dutch oven that he got from his grandparents. It's over 100 years old. He got it this summer when he went to visit Tennessee with Eugene. I am going to prepare the ingredients, which I have right here. That's how they come. They come in a bag.
What are you doing out here, Adrienne?
Well, since they only gave me this teeny tiny little onion, I'm trying very carefully to take off just the outer layer of peel so I get as much onion as possible.
Yeah.
They tell you to brown the turkey first, but I'm going to put the vegetables in the pan first because I've chopped them somewhat coarsely and I want them to be fully cooked. The ground turkey will cook really quickly. This pan is really hot. It's looking good. I'm adding the garlic and sage. and some salt. Don't ever buy this brand of sea salt because it pours out really badly. I have to pour it into my hand very carefully, or else I'll have like a few tablespoons of salt instead of that pinch of salt that blew away in the wind. And I'm going to add some pepper. I pushed all the vegetables over to one side of the pan. And I'm just going to put the ground turkey on the other side of the pan. I'm wearing gloves because remember how the meat package was leaking? I think it was the package of chicken that leaked, not the turkey. This seems really sealed. And now I'm going to put a little bit more salt directly onto the turkey. As you can see, the turkey is basically completely cooked. I'm now going to add the tomato sauce. It's actually crushed tomatoes. I'm now going to turn off the flame. And I'm going to add the cheese. And I'm just going to stir it around and mix the cheese into it. And then I'm going to put the lid on just for a minute to make sure the cheese melts. Can you please go ask them if they all want food? Tell them it's turkey chili over rice.
Should I add a little water to this and reheat it?
No, it's okay.
It's not really warm though.
Turn it on very low. People, it got so cold outside that I had to come inside. I am now sitting by my heater, which as you can see, I have cleaned, but not enough. A lot of this stuff won't come off until I take this outside and soak it in some kind of chemical. It is really, really cold outside right now. And look how muddy my pants got. I was trying to dry them out by the heater. But we're about to eat the food I cooked over some rice that my boyfriend cooked. So there's enough food for us and my friends who are over here helping me and also their kid. Eugene also got too cold outside. He's now watching somebody else's Zelda gameplay, learning how to do things in the game that he doesn't know how to do. Gobbling up that piece of beef. It's like roast beef or pastrami or something. Isn't that cute? Are you ready to eat some turkey chili? This is how much food we ended up with. I don't even think this would be enough for a meal for 2 people. They don't send you enough food sometimes, and they don't send you any kind of thing to go with the food, like rice. So it's not really a complete meal, because it doesn't really have a grain with it. This would be like an appetizer with a little more liquid in it. It could be like a turkey chili, but this would not be a full meal.
What's in this?
Zucchini, onion, ground turkey, sage, garlic, salt, pepper, and vegetable oil instead of olive oil.
Did they say to use olive oil?
Yes, I used vegetable oil because I was cooking on the high heat. in the cast iron pan. Look, the cast iron pan turned the edge of my table black. It's a little bit bland. It could use more seasonings other than just the salt, pepper, sage, and garlic. A little bit of hot pepper would be nice, actually. It's good though. It's better than some of the other meals they've sent me. They've sent me some things that were like really, really bland and a lot less flavorful than this. This is actually edible without adding any extra seasonings to it. Although I think it would be much better with some hot pepper. You know, this is actually the first thing that they've ever sent me that was edible without adding more spices or seasonings. But I don't think it would be very good as a meal on its own without rice added to it.
Bowl of life.
Give him a bite. I'm recording.
Shooting still.
Go!
Dark
Lee!
beast again and
Go, Lee!
Do you like that food,
Go, Lee!
Eugene? He's too interested in what he's watching to answer me. Do you like the food, Eugene?
No, Mama.
oh, that looks like a fun battle.
Alright. I actually liked that food, and I would very much like it if you would like this video, and share this video, and watch my other videos, and also subscribe to my channel.
We're almost out of milk.
I'd like to say one thing though about my other videos. Over the summer, I started to subscribe to Home Chef for a little while, and I recorded a bunch of videos of myself cooking their meals, and I didn't put them on YouTube because my computer crashed. So I will be putting them on YouTube so you will understand what I was comparing this meal to when I was talking about the other meals that I've eaten from them that you haven't seen yet. And I'd like to apologize for not having them on YouTube in a timely manner. Please comment on this video and tell me what experiences you've had with Home Chef or other home food delivery services. And also, if you've tried this same meal, please tell me what you thought of it. Bye! Thanks for watching.